To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. I am taking your poster designing and the topic is competition. There may be any competition. Then, for example, there is GK competition. At the top, we have to write come one, come all. Participate one, participate all at the top. And under that, then we have to write down GK competition. GK competition in different colorful style and maybe in capital letters, maybe in writing letters, but in bold letters. The title is to be given GK competition. Then what will be the points? Date is date, then date is to be mentioned, and time, at what time, the time is to be mentioned, and the place means the name of school, college, or where the competition is to be organized, is to be conducted, that place is to be mentioned. And then in one side, maybe in circle, entry fee. What is the entry fee? Maybe 50 rupee per entry, 100 rupee per entry. In right hand side, then there may be any pick of trophy or any prize, and many prizes. Under that, then we have to show the groups. Is the competition in 2 groups, 3 groups? We have to mention maybe in junior group 6 to 8th, then senior 9 to 12th, then degree means degree classes open to all in 3 groups. Like this we have mentioned here, and complete information has been mentioned. We have disclosed date, time, place, and groups, entry fee, and prizes. Under all this, we have to mention who is organizing this competition. Maybe any organization, for example, Rotary Club, Lions Club, Bharat Vikas Parishad, and any school and parliament of any school, like this. This is on competition. Now I am taking your second poster, that is to be designed. Blood donation camp. Come one, come all. Donate one, donate all, like this. And blood donation camp. Blood donation camp, date, on which date, time, at what time, and under the time in bracket we have to give duration. Means we will start at 10 a.m., will go up to 2 p.m. like this. Duration is also to be mentioned, and date, time, place. Place means maybe the name of any hospital, and chief guest. Who will be the chief guest? Means the first donor. The name of the chief guest is to be mentioned, and with designation. And then appeal. Donate your precious blood to save life. Your blood can save precious life of someone. Like this, in slogans we have to mention this. And in any corner or maybe in middle, we have to make one unit. And one unit in which we have to fill red color. And if we are artists, then we may make the pic of any person donating blood. And under this, then we have to give the name of organizer, who is organizing this blood donation camp. And maybe Bharat Vikas Parishad, Rotary Club, Lions Club, or any school or parliament of any school, like this. Actually, we have to decorate this in square. There must be outline, and a drop of blood is to be made falling in that particular unit or maybe bottle. Like this, we have to design poster. Dear students, I think, I hope you have understood how to design a poster. You design poster at home for self-satisfaction, for self-assessment. Thank you very much.